probably know me better as C-3PO Human Cyborg Relations. Well, I have finally secured the keys to the Falcon, and I'm delighted to announce I'll be your captain today. Oh, wow, that was close. Let's be on our way. Yes, that's true. Of course you can be the co-pilot. Let's leave the Star Wars galaxy behind and see what's really out there. Now, everyone, please brace yourselves because we're about to make a jump to light speed. I do realize that the propulsion system used in Star Wars is pure fantasy. But in the real world, without ever leaving the comforts of home, we can travel far into space just by gathering images from the latest high-tech telescopes. This journey is based on real observations from real scientists, and our imagination, of course. So let's start close to home with a view of our pale blue planet receding in the distance. As we travel out past our neighboring planets, we can see how far early unmanned spacecraft have explored to date. There are the parts of Voyager 1 and 2. Launched in 1977, they're only now reaching the edge of our solar system. Beyond the planets, we pass through the orbit, where comets come from. That was a close one. We've now reached the outer limit of our star system, where the gravitational pull of our sun no longer has any noticeable effect. So here, we're approaching the edge of the radiosphere, the point where our earliest radio and TV broadcasts have traveled our far, like ripples in a pond. We can now see more than 150 planets that scientists have identified orbiting other stars. Many of them have been ruled out as candidates for our life. That still leaves plenty of worlds for us to wonder about. Oh dear, I'm afraid the Falcon really has seen better days. Archie, can you just fix whatever it is, please? Thank you, Archie. Faster than you can say Lando Calrissian, we've moved out to where the sun is just another twinkling star on the outer edge of the Milky Way. Even my Star Wars friends have never left their home galaxy as we're doing now. Look, here's an amazing three-dimensional map of a portion of the sky. The dots you see aren't stars, they're in fact entire galaxies. Scientists have been able to plot over 200,000 of them, some as far as 2 billion light years away. Now that's what I call far, far away. And now, we've reached the end of the line, as far out in space as anyone has been able to see ever. This is the first detailed image of light left over from the Big Bang. It's a portrait of the universe in its infancy, long before planets were formed, or galaxies, or even stars. Or droids, or you or me, for that matter. All right, Nigel, I know it's time for your oil bath, so back home it is. Maybe someone will really figure out how to tunnel through hyperspace, like the characters in Star Wars do. Until then, scientists and filmmakers will no doubt discover other ways to take that journey, with ever more sophisticated technology and always